Now live on AutoHunter.com is a real deal 1966 Shelby GT350 carryover car. This GT350 is documented with the Shelby American Automobile Club, or SAAC, as the 6th car produced and has a corresponding VIN ending in 006 as the 6th car produced for the 1966 model year. This carryover GT350 is one of just 252 cars produced as a stopgap for Shelby American while the Ford factory shut down to retool for the upcoming 1966 models. These carryover cars were essentially 1965 models assigned a 1966 model year and are often called crossover cars, changeover cars, or early 66 cars. They were all finished in Wimbledon white like this one, and 1965 cars were all believed to have radio deletes, Plexiglas rear quarter windows, rear brake cooling scoops, a 1966 instrument cluster with 1965 dash components, and a dash-mounted tach. Power comes from a K-code 289 cubic inch high-performance V8, producing 306 horsepower and paired with the lightweight aluminum T10 4-speed manual transmission. This particular car was restored in 2007 by Kurt Vogt at his Cobra Automotive Restoration Shop in Wallingham, Connecticut. This car is finished in Wimbledon white with Guardsman blue Lama stripes and rides on 15-inch Shelby Krager wheels. This GT350 features a rear package shelf, override rear traction bars, hollow letter rocker covers, radio delete, a Detroit rear locker axle, optional wood grain steering wheel, lowered front A-arms, and Koni shock absorbers. So don't wait, head to AutoHunter.com to start bidding for your chance to win this rare 1966 Shelby GT350 carryover car. The auction closes July 11th.